Auto Paradise, your ultimate destination for exploring groundbreaking innovations in the automotive world. Today, we unveil an extraordinary milestone in Indian motorcycling history, the country's first air suspension motorcycle powered by a robust 500cc engine. Introduction to a game-changing innovation. India has always been a hub for motorcycle enthusiasts, with a deep-rooted culture of innovation and performance. In 2025, the Indian motorcycle industry takes a giant leap with the launch of this revolutionary bike. Combining advanced air suspension technology with a powerful 500cc engine, this motorcycle promises unmatched comfort, superior safety, and thrilling performance. The power of a 500cc engine. At the heart of this marvel lies a liquid-cooled, 500cc engine that delivers impressive power and torque. Designed for both urban commutes and long-distance rides, this engine offers a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. With an output of around 40 horsepower and seamless acceleration, it guarantees an exhilarating riding experience. Air suspension. A ride like never before. The highlight of this motorcycle is its state-of-the-art air suspension system. Unlike traditional suspensions, this advanced system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride on the most challenging terrains. Whether navigating pothole-ridden city roads or cruising on highways, the air suspension delivers unmatched stability and comfort. Safety features that redefine standards. Safety is a top priority for modern riders, and this bike sets new benchmarks. Equipped with tubeless tires, it minimizes the risk of sudden deflation and enhances road grip. Dual-channel ABS ensures optimal braking performance, even on slippery surfaces. Additionally, features like traction control, a digital tire pressure monitoring system, and an emergency braking alert system add layers of safety. Enhanced comfort and convenience. This motorcycle is designed for comfort, making it an ideal choice for long rides. The ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and lightweight chassis contribute to a fatigue-free experience. Furthermore, the inclusion of keyless ignition, an anti-theft alarm, and a spacious under-seat storage compartment adds to the convenience factor. Mileage that impresses. Despite its powerful 500cc engine, this bike offers remarkable fuel efficiency, with an average mileage of 28 to 30 km/h. Advanced fuel injection technology and the lightweight design ensure riders get the best performance without frequent refueling stops. Futuristic design and technology. The aesthetics of this motorcycle are equally captivating. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, coupled with modern LED lighting, gives it a bold and futuristic appeal. The fully digital instrument cluster displays vital information like speed, mileage, gear position, and navigation, keeping the rider informed and in control. Why this bike is a game changer? This 500cc air suspension motorcycle represents the perfect fusion of power, comfort, safety, and innovation. It's more than just a bike. It's a statement for Indian riders who demand the best of both worlds, performance and practicality. Final thoughts. The launch of India's first air suspension motorcycle with a 500cc engine is a defining moment in the country's automotive journey. It signifies a commitment to pushing technological boundaries and delivering unparalleled experiences to riders. Thank you for tuning into the Auto Paradise. Stay connected for more updates on innovative vehicles and groundbreaking technologies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting